Hi guys, welcome back with the basics of the Microsoft Word. In this video, I will to show you how to create table, how to prepare rows and column size, how to insert rows and column, how to add color in the cell, and the last one, how to delete row and column in the table. Hi guys, welcome back with my news video. On this tutorial, I would like to show you how to create table in Microsoft Word. So before I explain you or practice with create a table, I have a question. Do you know table in Microsoft Word? What is that? So the table means that like these pictures. This is my small example. Okay, now I will to create a table like that here. So first I click on insert. Next I click on table, and after I click button insert table. Next, you need to enter the columns and row. If you want to know about the column this table, you need to count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 columns. And how about row? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so I enter the number 7 because I need the column 7 column. And about row, there are 4, and I click OK. And after I enter the text in the cell here. Okay, the text I enter already, and after I need to make size too small like the same example. So first I click in table, and next I click on this button to move the table column. Okay, so I think that is equal number 1. Okay, so the column number 2, name, I need to move to the right. Okay, like that. And after this one. So how about this 3 column? I need this 3 column is equal size like that. So just select the 3 column like that and click on layout. And click on table column width. To make the column too small. And after, if you want to highlight color or you want to make the background color on the header, you just select the header and then click on table design button, this one, and click on setting, and you can choose any color that you want to show in the header table. So I choose the blue, this one. Okay, that is the same example 1. I want to tell you one more about how to insert column. So now I want to add one more column. I just put cursor here. It means that if I click on this column, it means we'll to count one column. And I click on layout and click on insert right. So you see that one column will add the right more. And next, now I have 3 students. 1, 2, 3. And the name ABC. That is my example. I want to get one more student, so I need one row. I just select like that, or just click on the last of row and click on insert below and enter the student number 4. Okay, so this is the insert column and row. And next, if you want to delete the column or row, how can you do that? Okay, that is easy. Look at this. If you want to delete, you just put mouse in this column and click on delete. Click on delete columns. So the column class is removed. And next, if you want to delete the student number 2, you just click on the column number 2 and click on delete and click on delete row. So the number 2 and name B was deleted. And if you want to move your table, you just select this one's table here. And if you want to move your table to another place, you just select in the table, click on the left hand and pull to the place that you want to move. Okay, so like that. And the last one, if you want to delete the table, you just select on this button and right click here, click on delete table. So the table will delete after you click it. With the create table in Microsoft Word, I practice already, and that is the short sharing from me to you. It's not text. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.